In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate an app link into your Wix website, an essential step for enhancing the functionality of your site and providing a better experience for your visitors. First things first, let's start by accessing Base44. Once there, you'll need to navigate over to the Apps section. This is the hub for managing all the applications associated with your account. It's an important place to visit, especially if you're handling multiple integrations. Now, after clicking on Apps, you'll be directed to a page that highlights your apps. This area personalizes the experience, focusing on the apps you specifically manage. The next move is straightforward. You want to proceed by clicking on Publish. This action is critical as it prepares your app and makes sure it's ready to be shared with others. Once you've published, you'll see an option to copy the link. Go ahead and click on this. It's a swift move that ensures you have the URL ready for embedding. With your link copied, the next step is to head over to your Wix website. Wix is a fantastic and user-friendly platform for building robust websites, and integrating external apps can really upgrade your site's capabilities. Now locate the plus sign, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your Wix editor. The plus sign in Wix is essentially your toolbox. It gives you access to various elements you can add to your site. Click on it, and then choose the embed code option from the dropdown. This will give you several choices of content you can embed directly into your Wix page. You will then see the option to embed a site. This is exactly the choice we need because you are working to integrate an external URL into your website. When you click on Embed a Site, a field will appear inviting you to paste in the URL you copied earlier from Base44. This pasting process ensures that your app link is correctly configured to display on your Wix site. Once your link is pasted into the field, take a moment to double-check its accuracy. This is a crucial step because any small error in copying the URL can lead to a broken link. Once you're confident everything is correct, hit Apply. This action finalizes the embedding process, integrating the app directly into your Wix site. Remember, this simple yet powerful addition can significantly enhance user interaction and elevate the overall functionality of your site. And there you have it. Integrating an app link into your Wix website is as easy as following these straightforward steps. By doing so, you can optimize how visitors interact with your site, boosting both engagement and satisfaction. Until next time, happy web building!